Imagine that you have a newly constructed home and you do not know the direction and the destination. You do not know the proper address of your home. Will you be able to reach there? Similarly, if you do not know the address of your life, will you be able to reach where you want to reach? Many people have dreams and desires by looking at flashy things in this world. But when it comes to knowing where you are moving, what is your destination, what is the direction, and what is the path, they do not know, they do not have any clue about it. My dear friends, I have this bigger question to you today. Do you have the destination of your life? Do you know the direction of your life? And if you do not have, don't worry. I'm here in this video going to help you what you should do and how you should get started with the first step. And the first step is consider setting your goals. You need to know first where you want to go in your life. The second and the most important thing is how you will go there. But the first thing is where you want to go in your life. What is your address? Similar to if you do not have address of your home, you cannot reach there. You do not have address of your life, you cannot reach there. So first try to find out what is your goal and consider setting up short-term and long-term goals. Short-term is for 6 months and long-term goals is for 3 to 5 years. So when you know where you are going ahead, distribute that goal into small chunk of it. Like if you have 6 months goal, then you just consider in 3 months what do you want to achieve. And then again distribute that 3 months goal into small goals of every month. So every month what you will be achieving for the next 6 months. And then each month, 4 weeks are there. So what you're going to achieve every week. And in every week, distribute that every week into smaller goals every day. So what you're going to achieve every day. That's the most important thing, my dear friends. So let's make it happen. Let's make it happen and start setting up the goals in order to find the direction as well as your where you want to head in your life, right? So that's